Picture this. The year is 1977. George Lucas releases the original Star Wars film, Voyager 2 is launched into orbit, and the King of Rock will soon meet his demise.
In Richwood, Ohio, a small group of residents and business owners would meet at the home of local doctor, Dr. Drake, to plan out a festival for the last weekend of spring.
Billed as Oktoberfest in springtime,
The idea of a fun weekend by Doug and Judy Elliott would soon take on a life of its own.
the Spring and Fest was born.
What the folks in that room didn't know is that over the next almost 35 years, they would pull in thousands of attendees year after year, sell hundreds of thousands of German bratwurst, host legendary local events, and raise over $500,000 for North Union Athletics, including construction of our modern-day football field.
Today we commemorate their hard work.
The real story here is how a generation of residents wanted more for the children in their community,
Volunteered an unimaginable amount of manpower and resources, and changed the lives of countless generations to come.
If you've even driven through Richwood in the past 40 years, then you've seen the lasting effect that this festival has had on our community. Thank you to anyone who volunteered their time. Thank you for watching, and don't call the bad guys.
Call good boy.